Maniga ka mo.
Hoy! Kay Francine! Masaging! Kay Francine!
Hey, Francine? Oh, I'm sorry, girl. I was a huge pain.
French.
Didn't mean to make you cry. Maybe there was something that I apologize.
Hoy, picture ka namin na naman. Gusto mong bagaan? Gusto mong bagaan? Dapat sinaro tayo dito.
My face! Ay, sorry! Oh, sorry!
Look, the picture. Practice smart, please.
Isa akin, happy mo na.
Di